Hi sisters! Oh my gosh, that intro is actually very fitting. Today, as you can tell by the title, is a special video. I have a very special guest here with us. This is James Charles X Morphe palette. My mom got this for me. She was gonna try and surprise me with it, but like, sis, I found it. Look at it! I haven't actually had time to sit down and, you know, just play around with it and play around with all the colors. So today, we're gonna break boundaries for me. I've never done a rainbow eye look before, and I'm gonna do one today. Is it gonna turn out well? No! I'm just kidding. It might. I don't know. You guys, today, we're gonna unleash our inner artists. So let's get started, sisters. Sister started. Sister snapped. I already did my eyebrows and I primed my face off camera. I know he said you're supposed to use like actual eye primer with the palette, but I don't have that. And I don't have $10 for a P. Louise base or MAC Painter Lee, whatever it is. I don't have that type of money. I have $7. I'm just gonna use concealer. Sorry, sisters. I'm trying to like not lean too far into my mirror because I do that a lot for some reason. But like whenever I do that, y'all literally can't see what I do. So I'm trying to be better about that. Okay, now that we're primed and now that we're ready to go, we're gonna dip into the palette. So I'm gonna go into that shade, right? Maybe with a little bit of this one too. I'm gonna mix those two. We're gonna apply that into my crease. Right there, like that. Ah! Okay, now we're gonna dip into the color. So I think how I'm gonna do the rainbow is I'm gonna have like the red, orange, yellow, and that's gonna swoop up and be like green, blue, purple, and maybe pink under eye. We're gonna see how that's gonna work. So I'm gonna start off by starting off up here. We'll get into the whole lid thing later. So I guess I'll start off with green, right? And green's gonna go right there, then blue, and then purple, right? Right? I'm dipping into this green in the bottom left of the palette. That's the left, right? I'm just gonna pack that here. I had the paper with all the little shade names, but where did it go? No one knows. I don't know if you can see, but I am getting, come here, oh my god. I do have a little bit of green fallout there, but I'm just gonna wipe that away anyway, so. Plus I don't have my face makeup on yet, so we're gonna fix that. Now, we're gonna dip into some blue. The blue I'm gonna use is gonna be that blue. Ooh, that look. Oh, look at that blue. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at it. That is so pretty. Sister, wow. Sister, shook. Now what I'm gonna do is go back into that green we were just using. This green, in case you forgot, and we're just gonna go in between there and like blend them together like that, and just kind of go back and forth between the blue and the green so you finally get that perfect little blend. I can't stop looking at it. It's so okay. We're gonna dip in some purple. I think I'm gonna mix these two purples. So now we got a little good mixture of the two. Put that out. Oh my. Look at it. Sister stunning! Look at it. Order in the court. Going back into that blue a little bit to blend them together like I did with the green. Look at, guys. Oh my god, Annette. to diffuse the harsh lines, I'm gonna go into an M433 brush. I'm gonna use white with a little bit of that shade maybe, because it's kind of my skin tone-ish, I guess. I don't know. Now I'm gonna dip back into the colors and go over them, bring back a little bit of that pigmentation. Now is when I might frick it up. I'm gonna cut my crease so I can do the lid colors. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do a round shape, because if I try and do the little thing where it goes like that and goes up at the end, I'm gonna frick it up. I already know myself. So the next is a step. We're gonna start inwards and work outwards like I did on the top. And we're gonna go yellow here. We're gonna go into the shade right here. The yellow. Oh, yes. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is go back into the green and blend those two together a little bit better. We're gonna go into an orange, and the orange is this orange. Now, like I did on the top, we're gonna take a little bit of yellow and blend it with the orange. Okay, now what we're gonna do is go into the red. I'm pretty sure I remember what this one's called. It's called You're Kidding, right? Isn't that what it's called? Because he's watched it and he was all like, you're kidding. Now we're gonna dip back into the orange, blend it in with the red. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it how it is right now. It isn't the best, could be better, but it's not that bad. You know what? Let me put a lash on. Let me put a lash on and it'll look better. I'm gonna start off by just lining my lash line a little bit with some Fenty liner. These are Ardell double wispies. These are brand new and I still need to cut them. World stop. Carry on. Oh. Now I'm gonna take some of this Tarte eye glue and shade it black. And we're gonna put that on my eye. Oh, we actually have to like let it dry for a second. So while I let this dry, how's your day? You know what? I don't know what you said. I just want you to know I love you. And I hope if you're having a bad day, I hope that tomorrow and every other day is so much better. And if you are having a good day, I hope that it stays that way. And I love you. Okay, my cat's with me now. He probably will jump up on the table and I will get annoyed. Archie, come say hi. You know what? You can come here. Archie. I'm gonna use this It Superhero mascara. Oh my god, you guys, look at it. It looks better now. I told you guys, lashes, they make it better. Now I'm gonna, first of all, use the bathroom. And then I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'll come back to do the under eye. And just to wrap everything up and just make some final statements. Should I do the little camera thing where I go like, boop, and then I like come back? I won't remember to do that when I come back. But you know what? Just be right back, haha. Okay guys, sister is back. I'm using the shade Skip, and I know there's been some controversy, but listen, that's not any of my business. I'm gonna blend it a little bit using that, it's that shade. It's a light pink. Now we're gonna put on some bottom mascara using once again that It one I use up there. Now I'm I'm gonna put some white eyeliner in my waterline. I mean, that's the eye look complete. Now I'm just gonna finish and wrap it up. I'll be right back, actually. Alright, you guys. This is finished look. I am so happy with how this turned out overall. Wait, was this a review? Should I give my review? Honest thoughts? First impressions? I love it. Yep, just love it. If you haven't already, go and sister snatch one of the palettes. It's Alexis approved. Not like that means anything. I don't know. Do y'all care about my opinions? I am getting married to this palette. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like the look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. See you guys next time. That was gross. Goodbye.
It's popping. Oh.